Hi, this is the demo for our application for information retrieval project. So we have developed, this is our home page, and we have developed an app for predicting the sentiment towards the presidential candidates for 2016 elections. We basically used Twitter data for this. We analyzed the tweets and we tried to find sentiment towards each of the candidates. We have used naive-based classifier, and the data was collected over a period of 10 days. And so here we'll show, as you can see, we can select the state and we can see the sentiment towards that, and we can even select two candidates and select a state and compare the candidates and their sentiment to in the application. So let's start with selecting Hillary in the state of let's say Florida. Okay, so let's see the sentiment. So we are still waiting for the results for Hillary and in the state of Florida. Well, there's a window of results, so let's see what this looks like. So yeah, this is the number of tweets that are being classified, and I can scroll them down. I can go through each of the tweets. This positive indicates positive is shown with green, and red indicates negative, and the same coloring goes for the pie chart as well. This basically is the ratio between positive and negative tweets. Here you can speak like, yeah, Hillary has a positive sentiment in Florida, and like total number of tweets are like around 240 plus 150. That's around like 400. Yeah, I would say that's a pretty good retrieval base. Like the total number of tweets we saw for Hillary were in the state of Florida were close to 800. Yeah, now let's go and okay, so now if we try to predict the sentiment towards the candidates and try to compare them, there's a way to do that. So let's reset it and go ahead and select Bernie and Hillary and select the state as it's a Colorado and compare the candidates. So we have pre-stored the image for this because it will take some time for the classification. I'm going to pull that image, and yeah, that's the image. And here if you see closely, you can see the tweets for Bernie here. So you can see like why biased for Sanders, no Pope invite, no all lies, you used to be good but not wise, alienate. Okay, so this is a negative tweet in the positive, but there are some ambiguous tweets like this, but mostly it's, for example, for the next one, Bernie earns more in a month than I earn it in a year because numbers are different. So this is pretty much a positive tweet, and so is the next one with that in mind, compare and cutters. So that's a positive tweet as well. Vote for Bernie, that's a positive tweet as well. Let's see this one. Everyone who did not make it to the march can help us win Tuesday. Find a canvas. Bernie. So this might be a neutral tweet, so not much can be informed from there. Let's see the tweets for Hillary. So here, you reach for everyone, again need help defending Hillary. This must be perfect. Okay, this is a negative tweet, and there are few positive tweets like we must stop attacking each other's candidate, it's self-destructive, Hillary will support Bernie, will support Hillary. Okay, that's a pretty positive tweet. So yes, there are like you can see the classification is pretty good, and you can select some other things like, let's see. So we need to reset it every time we come back to the home page. And okay, let's now see for Trump and Cruz in the state of Florida, which is a swing state for the Republicans, I would say. So the compare candidates thing will take a time, so I'll be popping up the image again, and this you can see the sentiment here is positive towards Ted, and it is slightly less positive towards Donald, but both of them have a positive sentiment here. Here you can see the number of tweets retrieved are pretty high, which is like close to 550, and considering the total number of tweets in the database are like close to 100k, this is very good in a particular state for two candidates. And the next thing would be like comparing candidates from two different parties, which is way early. For example, go for Bernie, we need to reset again, go for Bernie and John in the state of say Iowa, and compare this thing. So we got the results, and if we look at them, this is the retrieval for John. The number of tweets are very less because, as we know, like John, it's not really popular in the Twitter, so we have seen very less tweets for him compared to other contestants. For example, Bernie has like higher retrieval rate, and many others. But you can see John has a very positive attitude from the tweets, not that much for Bernie. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and we have covered like in all the states of all the states in the United States. So that's like you can compare and contrast in any of the 50 states, and Pooja will be Shalini will be showing the IDs now.